Alright guys, welcome back to Sparks and Recreation. In today's video, we're actually going to be shooting a couple thousand rounds of airsoft into this running Toyota motor. Got a big old bag of them. Basically, this thing's had a colored past with us, towing this Pontiac. And it is very rotted, guys. It's kind of a piece of crap. It's slow. We ran about 4 races with it, but the subframe broke in the front end. This is actually not connected anymore. And I'm going to crush it anyway, so we decided let's send it out. For anybody thinking, oh no, that's really not that bad of a car. Dude, look at this thing. It literally separated right out. Do a quick walk around. And on top of that, we're actually, so this channel is finally actually starting to make a couple dollars. And because Christmas is only a couple days away, what we're actually doing is, if this motor runs at least 10 minutes full of those frickin' BBs, we're gonna donate 100 meals to charity for feedingamerica.com, which is basically America's food pantry. 98% of all donations go directly to feeding people. So let's hope it runs 10 minutes. Yeah, if it only runs 5 minutes, then I guess we'll do like 50 meals or something. But either way, the goal is to do 100 meals for people coming into Christmas. What a piece of crap this is. Let's destroy it. Alright guys, first step is get this thing running. I think the battery's dead, so I'm going to jump box on it. And then we will just start by firing it directly into the top of the engine here and see what that sounds like. Alright. This thing is up and running. She is alive. She's got about 200,000 miles on her, which is honestly nothing for this little Toyota. It's a Pontiac vibe, but it's the same thing as a Toyota Matrix. So I was gonna use this tripod, but I don't really know if it maybe try and lift it up higher. See if we can get a good angle of what we're doing. All right. Yes, let's open her up and start firing some shit in. It's like 20 degrees out. Everything's frozen cold here. All right, so what we're firing in with.
It is absolute view. Just look at it. Absolutely gorgeous.
Alright, yeah, get it right in there.
Semi-auto?
Yeah, semi-auto.
Right in there. I hope they don't start shooting back at it.
Alright.
Come on, don't do this to me. One second.
Here, come to this side. Attempt 1 was a failure. We went to, so that's like a pretty expensive, like, fully auto airsoft that runs off a battery. And it's never had an issue. It'll run for a long time. We charged it all night, used it for 5 seconds, and it never even fired. So now it's charged back up. We're back. We're so back. All right, let's get this going. All right, so each of these small mags is about 25 rounds.
We've already used some of them to test it out.
Yeah, there's a couple less than that because we were doing a test. And then he's also got an extended mag that holds probably like 100 or 150.
Other than the fact it doesn't work.
Yeah.
My wrist ain't open.
Oh.
Okay, she's out.
Oh. I heard a little bit of something. Alright, so that's the first 25 rounds. The goal is to have this last at least 10 minutes of running so we can make our donations. I'm gonna guess it runs at least 10 minutes. Alright, round 2, so there's around 50 in there. So far, no noise at all. When you fire it, try to go sideways directly into that spot.
That's right. I promise. Okay.
Not a single noise.
We had one right at the beginning of that.
Oh, I heard something.
I heard it too. I can hear it. She ain't happy. Let's just go with that.
There are a couple little things.
Okay.
Starting to see some like melted BBs flopping around in there.
Okay.
Alright, let's keep going.
Oh, come on, baby. I think the battery died.
Oh no.
Fill up the battery now.
Alright, so we've been doing this for a little while already. We put a couple 100 rounds through it, and it's still not making any noise. It's not like a dropper. We'll start just dropping them right in.
I don't know how many does at a time, but
Yeah. I'll give it a couple reps.
they're gonna start shooting out of the thing, dude. It's just gonna be molten frickin' BBs. I heard it.
It did start doing a little bit of noise. Oh Lord. Oh, I hear it.
She ain't happy. She's out of speed loader. This thing holds like what, 100?
Yeah, we're up to probably 1,000 in here. I can hear a couple in here. It's definitely making some noise now.
She definitely.
Oh my God! If you look in, starting to see some like melted BBs.
One whole speed loader. Holy, and you can definitely hear it.
Starting to pick up some noise.
Yeah, he's cool.
You can definitely hear it. All right, when you feed it,
That's what I
feed it sideways into that hole. Yeah, that way. We're gonna try something else too. Try feeding some in through the intake. Alright, take the brake booster off. I'm gonna have it feed some directly into the brake booster. This is gonna go directly into the intake manifold. Alright, so what you're gonna do is shove it right in there.
It's full.
Oh no. That's not enough boost to do it. Well, that didn't work. It just clogged up the tube. And it's back into the motor.
Just because it's getting my speed loader covered in oil. Ooh. The hole might be a little big.
For a minute. I can hear stuff happening.
I hear it. It's doing something. She definitely needs something. Oh, I think she's dead. That's. We only went
Wait,
to.
hold on. I think it definitely sucked a few into the motor that time. Let's see.
Oh, you think? Start her up. I don't think she's.
Hold on.
I don't think she's gonna live. Put the jump box on her.
She did not like that, so we've got at least a couple thousand in her at this point, both in the intake and the valve cover.
I gotta take these back to the car before I. I think we're gonna put like 50 in it. Oh.
Oh, you can smell his melted plastic, guys.
Yeah, you started it and I watched the baby go.
Could be shooting out of it. Alright.
I don't know. Did she last all 10 minutes?
I don't know how long it lasted. It's been like 8 something plus the time we had, so. Alright, hold on. I'll see if I can get us fired up one more time. If we can get to the 10-minute mark, even if it's running like shit, we'll add a few more. Just so we can at least make our goal so we can make our donation.
She's good. I don't think she's living anymore. Yeah, she's definitely. Oh. Wait a minute. You just can't kill her. Oh.
All you can smell is melted plastic.
I spoke too soon. The camera says 11 minutes, so.
Alright, we made it.
We made it.
We gotta buy you more.
She's still clicking, dude. I can hear the BB still going. Oh.
What the hell?
You just took the whole.
Alright, she no longer turns over. That was to the floor when it stopped last time. Alright guys, so all in all, it lasted about 3,000 BBs, and it ran for about 12 minutes or so. At the end there, it was to the floor and it finally stopped. So we're actually going to put a little post right here showing our donation that we made to feed 100 families this Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.